Hey Angel here, back with another video. So, bad news, the next video on the Pokemon, like part 1, you saw the video recording cut off, so I had to restart it. But then I made another video for the part 2, and it did not go well. So, I tried again, and once again, it did not end well. So, gonna make it as short as possible. So, here we go. I got 2 of all the starters. Incineroar, I still haven't found the last 2 to complete it. Last 3. So yeah, sorry for the short video. Oh, there's 2 other things. Alola Meowth. I don't know why, but they had to make a Alola version. And Cosmog, the whole part of the game that you need to get to. It may look see-through, but it's not a thing on it. So, sorry for the short video. Oh, but I can make it up for you. Here's a little bit of Baby Cup Benny playing Doctor Who. Do 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 do. So yeah, he likes Doctor Who. Oh, and another thing. Yeah, I found that like behind my TV. Don't know where I got it, but I have it. So yeah, sorry for the short video. Try to make it up with a little bit of Baby Cup Benny and this awesome lineup. So, sorry about the other video. This is basically part 2. Not that much happened. Sorry. I don't know why, but I think using my phone is kind of bad for the channel. I think I might end this channel and start a new one. Not sure why, but I don't know. Oh, but here's a cool thing. Like a few years ago, like 2 years ago, I got this at an auction for $10. So I'm just trying to make up time for the video. Yeah. Basically a speaker. So you can just like put your phone in here, attach it to this thing, play some music. It's basically like a mini speaker. Oh, and I got Grand Theft Auto 5, a new one. And apparently it says it's Blu-ray, so it's supposed to have a whole bunch of cool stuff. So I think in another video I'll give you like the code to something and a map of Los Santos. So, bye-bye! Markiplier.